How to block outgoing calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This specific menu is where you can manually block or limit specific apps, features, and content. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the very top of the Content and Privacy Restrictions screen, you will see a switch. Tap on the switch to turn on. Inside this menu, find and tap on the Allowed Apps and Features option. You will see a list of default apps. To block outgoing FaceTime calls, find FaceTime in the list of apps and tap the toggle next to it to turn it off. Doing this will remove the FaceTime app from your home screen, effectively preventing any outgoing video or audio calls through that service. Following these steps, you can block outgoing calls on an iPhone.